welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. So in today's video I'm gonna show you this really gorgeous makeup look. It's all matte, and what I love in this look is the most perfect to use in pictures and selfie. This is a neutral look, but you can use any color that you like, and you can choose any lipstick that you like as well. So if you wanna see how I got this look, keep on watching and let's get started. I'm gonna start applying with the concealer brush, the Paint Pot Soft Ochre by MAC. This is a shade that I love because it's a little bit yellow, so it will cover any dark circles that I may have. So I'm gonna blend this product all over my lid. And now I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes at the moment. Not just at the moment, but every time, because I can use this palette a lot for everything. And the quality is amazing, it's really pigmented, so I really love it. This is the Shape Matter Eyes by Smashbox. I'm gonna set my eyeshadow base using this cream eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use to apply this color, this really big fluffy brush. So I'm gonna place this color all over my lid and blend really well to avoid any harsh lines. This step will make everything look matte and help to blend the next eyeshadows. So then to the next step, I'm gonna apply this light brown eyeshadow using a smaller blending brush in my crease and outer corner. So I'm gonna blend it in circular motions to really diffuse this color, and this will be my transition shade. As I wanna create depth and dimension in my eyes, I used a light grayish brown eyeshadow. To give a little more life in this look, I'm gonna use this light pink or coral eyeshadow in my crease and a little bit in my eyelid. I'm gonna apply this color using the same brush. So I'm gonna adding a little at a time, working this color all over my lid because I wanna add this color, but I don't wanna cover completely the first eyeshadow. Then again, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply this dark brown eyeshadow, placing this color in my other corner and then blending in circular motions to my crease. Without applying more product, just adding the rest left in the brush to my crease. I'm gonna apply more product in my outer corner only because I wanna create a nice gradient of colors. In my tear duct area, I'm gonna use the pigment Vanilla by MAC. And to apply these pigments, I'm gonna use the small rounded brush by Sigma. All the brushes that I'm using are from Sigma Beauty as well. You can use my code MelissaSB for 10% off. In the Sigma Beauty website is sigmabeauty.com. Use my code and we will save money and stay pretty at the same time. So now I'm gonna line my eyes, creating this really big cat angled liner with my favorite eyeliner brush and with my favorite gel liner. These both products are from Sigma Beauty, so I'm gonna slowly creating my eyeliner, adding products a little at a time so it will avoid any mistake and create a perfect line. I'm gonna apply this gel liner in my lower lash line and in my waterline as well. Then I'm gonna blend this line using a swab. And this will be how I finish my eyes. Then I'm gonna apply just the fake lashes and mascara. You can use any mascara that you like. I prefer to use waterproof mascara as always, so I use it the same that I used it in the previous video. This is the Telescopic by L'Oreal. And now to apply the blush in my cheek, I'm gonna use the color Courage Rosa by Sigma Beauty and my favorite brush to apply this. This brush is called Spotlight Duster. I love this brush to apply any powder in the face, signs face powder or blush or contour or anything, because it just gives a nice and soft effect in the skin. It blends everything so well and create a perfect dull skin. for highlighter, I'm gonna use one of my favorites. I love this color so much. This is from Artist Couture. I love this highlighter, it's amazing. The color that I'm using is Illuminati, and to apply this highlighter I'm using the High Cheekbone Brush by Sigma. All the products from Artist Couture is amazing. I love this brand so much. It's a new brand in the market, but it's so good. And these highlighters are the must-have. I have many colors, but this one is my favorite of all the colors because it gives a really natural effect in the color, but when you turn your face to the side, you can see this beautiful intense glow in the skin. So I really love it, and that's why I'm using in this all matte makeup look. So I'm gonna apply this highlighter everywhere I want to highlight in my face. And to finish this look, you can use any lipstick that you like. You can use gloss, you can use matte lipstick, you can use liquid lipstick. You can also choose your favorite color. You can use nude, you can use red, you can use wine. I decided to create an ombre lipstick, so I'm gonna use this lip pencil by George Cosmetics in the color Immortal. Is a beautiful red lip liner. I love this color so much. They have as well the liquid lipstick in the same color, but I decided to use a pink liquid lipstick to create this ombre effect. It will just give the illusion of fuller lips. So in georgecosmetics.com you can use my code MelissaGC for 30% off. And the liquid lipstick that I'm gonna apply on top is the color Chocoholic by Smashbox. Oh my god, it's the most pretty pink liquid lipstick. I really love this color because it's a bright pink color, but it's wearable at the same time, so I can balance the look, and in this ombre effect it's looking so gorgeous. So that's it, my angels, for this look. I really hope that you enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Such a long time I don't record a full face for you, but I was applying a skin medication for my acne and I couldn't apply makeup on top of it. So I decided to do these videos with the closing my eyes only, and I hope that you like it. I apologize for late a lot to upload a video with a full face makeup look, but I needed to give a break a little bit. And that's it, my lovies. Thank you so much for watching. I'm back and I love you so much. So take care and have a nice day. Mwah.